NewJeans. Now, I don't really react to a lot of teasers, but when I do, it's because I really like the group, or I'm like, super excited about the concept of what it's gonna sound like. Now, they've been teasers. There's been Powerpuff Girls themes too. So I myself am not sure what to expect. I mean, you do hear a little bit of the beat. It seems really interesting too. I mean, I'm like, damn, NewJeans really gonna take over the world like this again. Damn. But I'm excited. I'm excited because they caught me off guard when they first came out. Cause I think it caught a lot of people off guard too. They just came out of nowhere and they just had a fresh new sound and everybody just fell in love, and including me and my girlfriend and everybody around me that are not even in K-pop. They're not really I have friends that are not into K-pop that like NewJeans, which is crazy. It's either I showed them NewJeans or XG, and that says a lot. So NewJeans ASAP teaser, let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Ooh. Oh, they look elfish, like fairy type. Oh. Ooh. Now we heard this part in like some of the teasers that they've been releasing, but this is finally with a visual.
ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't be lazy.
Oh. That's it? Damn. ASAP, baby. Hurry up right now, don't be lazy.
Hurry up, don't be lazy.
Okay, July 21st. Oh my goodness. NewJeans, Get Up. Oh, is that the album? Get Up? But the song is called ASAP. The teaser itself looks... I don't know what to expect from the music video. I already know that it's probably gonna sound like a banger, just the way how it sounds like right now, but it is a teaser, so that's why we can't tell. What do you guys think? They really said we're taking over summer. They keep
baby. Hurry up, don't be lazy.
Okay. Interesting. They always surprise me what sound they're gonna do next, or what type of like concept they're gonna do. Like, oh my god was like, oh my god, legit. Like, I didn't expect it, but it's what I wanted from it. Like, it seems like they mastered their sound. I know they have like a great mixer engineer too. I saw TikToks about it. I was like, oh snap, they have a really good mixer engineer, and that's why their sounds so nice too. Of course, I don't know. All I know is that Hype is killing it. Shout out to NewJeans, bro. I'm pretty sure you guys can't wait to put a comments down below if you have a bias. I don't really have a bias. I'm kind of more of like a I like their sound. I haven't really dove into like the NewJeans lore or like variety shows just yet. I'm just like, I love their music. I don't know where you're at. What do you guys are? Are you guys stans? Are you guys just casual listeners? Or like, I really like their song, but I never really like dove into the group. Like, by that I mean like, you know how you watch variety shows, vlogs, and everything. That's when you're a fan. And now I'm realizing that I'm fans of other groups now because that's what I'm doing right now too. Anyways, NewJeans, can't wait.